Okay, so today, guys, I am loading up the CJ affiliate marketplace, and we are gonna show you guys how to show you guys how to get around doing all of this to get started with affiliate marketing. So this is CJ, one of my favorite platforms to use. It's actually a lot easier than other platforms that I've been working with. Um, I tried the whole Digistore 24's ClickBank. I'll do videos on each of those too on why I find this to be the better one. I'll do a comparison at one point or another, but this is my favorite one for very many reasons. Um, so to show you how you would go about this, right? Your home, you would sign up. This is what you would see after you're signing up, right? So you would obviously see zeros instead of clicks and impressions and conversions, just like I am, but I got clicks and impressions. Now, um, if you're looking for a partner, right, you go find advertisers under the partners tab. Now, here's the beautiful thing, okay? Extra inhalation. Apparently, I'm a little stuffed up, guys. Um, okay, so we're gonna see that there's all these programs, right? Like lots of programs, lots of them. Um, you'll see that, like for example, 2game.com, right? Say I wanted to use that, I'd have to hit apply to program. I'll hit this pop-up. I believe the pop-up shows up. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, well there's a little pop-up that comes up and it says application submitted for review. It happens in a pop-up. You just close that window and there you go. Now you just gotta wait. So what are you waiting for though, right? Okay, well, let me show you. When we go into campaigns, links and products, right? Because if we are with a partner, this will make things easier. We'll be able to find a partner, our partner. Now, there is always a way for people to know. I'm gonna attach my online earning list for email so you guys can get more cool tips and tricks sent to you. But as you can tell, I'm gonna go products just because I find that a little nicer to explain. So we got Ticket Network that's offering Six the Musical, To Kill a Mockingbird for movies. Uh, we've got Copper A tickets, the Nutcracker. See, like there's all kinds of different things in just that. So um, clearly, I have Ticket Network as one of my providers, my advertisers. However, if you're looking at um, being sure of what you're advertising, in the hardest part of this is when you have more than one partner. So, what I like to do to make things a little easier is I will go down into here and I will go category, which is just behind my head here. So I'll scroll up so you can see the category tab. There's category, right? So we would pick something in the categories that we are talking about in our video today. So for today, because of the fact that we're educating you on business, we will do marketing, productivity, and office. And we'll use that as our filter today, just to show you guys how I find things, right? So it's going to load up whatever results I had for those, which there ain't any, apparently. Oh, there we go. So now we got 247pressrelease.com showing up, right? Now, these are great offers in my mind, right? Like we've got great offers, we've got great things, okay? So I'm going to explain to you guys about the codes. And this is the most obvious thing that I didn't understand at first on day one. So you have these things called properties, right? And these properties are your websites, your YouTube channel, your blog, whatever. So say I put it on my online earning group blog, which there will be a video coming up for that some point soon. I don't know if it's going to be before or after this video, but I do have one recorded at the time I'm recording this video. And it will be uploaded at some point soon. Anyways, back on track. So I click online earning group. I can encrypt my link. I can hit my tracker, call it lol tracker, right? Because that will be the tracking code. So if I wanted to, LOL tracker will now be the tracker. And you'll see that LOL tracker comes in right here, SID. So now I can copy this if I wanted to get this banner to appear on my website. Or if I really wanted to, I could take this and put that through a link shortener. For example, I think Pretty Links is what I use. So we'll go to prettylinks.com just to show you a quick example. Log in. I might have to do it through my WordPress if I'm doing this. Yeah, okay. So we'll do it with Bitly, guys, just because Bitly is free. Bitly.com. Just because I want to show you guys this. So we're going to take the link, we're going to shorten it in Bitly. Now I can take this Bitly link later. Right? I could go paste Bitly, and then I could go. What are we sharing again? 24/7 press release. So 24/7 press release, and CRN. Sign up with Google. We're going to sign up with my maiden Google account. Come on. I don't care that you see the other email. Most of you guys already know. The secret's out. It's not a big secret. I kept it for about 8 months. Oh well. I was just trying to surprise people. But yeah, anyways, we're not going to buy this plan at all, right? Because core annual. Oh. Although, I am tempted. So you copy that link, right? Now, we'll say, we'll go onto my YouTube. And of course I'm misspelling YouTube on. I'm still waking up, guys. This is first video of the day. So say I wanted to put that on my description, right? I can now go, and this will be in my link, my video descriptions for some of them now, because I can take this when YouTube loads. And I think I already know what my next video will be. I'm going to react to somebody doing a talk about Lead Sleep, and I'm going to add on to it, I guess, and react to it because, yeah, Lead Sleep is very versatile. So here I am on my channel, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to customize channel. Now here is where you get your partnerships, sponsors, and all that, right? They're brought to you in part by advertising. No, I'm not listening to myself sing. You guys want to hear me sing? You guys know where to find that. I am not listening to myself sing. Not tonight. Not right now. I have research for articles as well going on, guys. I'm going to be writing some articles and showing you guys how to do that at some point. I believe I'll be doing that through my website, though, just so you guys can see how I do it directly on my website. Because, I mean, WordPress isn't the easiest thing. And that was my alarm. Oh, I've got another notification from Wattpad. Let's see what's going on here. Uh, okay, it's just a story update. I try to help people learn how to um, do things. So this video, I'm gonna actually change this video to something a little more me, and we're gonna change this video to this. That feels a little bit better for me in my mind. Now we're gonna go branding. My branding's nice. Video watermark. I probably should add a video watermark at some point, but okay. So now that we're in my video description, right, or my channel description, you guys can go to my Patreon, my website, and my Stripe through all of these links, right? Looking at getting extra publicity, we now are now partnered with 24/7 press release. Click my link below to find more. Right? And then we just hit Control V. I'm gonna obviously not go publicity. Publicity is what I want. There we go. And now we have 24 CRN right there. Boom. Okay. That shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna update this because that's no longer the there's a new edition of the Draconis Wars, so I'm gonna update that too. We're gonna just do some updating on YouTube now. With this, I guess. No, I'm not gonna actually do that, guys. I don't want to do this on screen. But yeah, we're gonna just obviously be doing that. We can contact me through here. We're gonna publish the changes, and now our link is active. Okay, so we're gonna close off YouTube. Now, when you're done with actually producing the link out into open, you go into your program overview, right? And when we have this load up, it's going to, if I have the memory as good as I am hoping I have it, it's going to show us our stats. Yeah, so this is where we get our stats. So net after corrections and all that. And of course, it's not loading. It's frozen. Freezing. Frozen. Ah. Either way, we're going to hit home because it's taking too long. So, I don't know why it's taking so long. Huh? And it's really slow. And it's still catching up to the dashboard. Good God. Okay, so the reason why I wanted the dashboard is so I can do this quicker, but apparently that's not the case. Sorry. Again, I should probably have a better computer to be showing you guys this stuff, right? So now when you go in this month, you will start to notice that if people are clicking on your link through the description, you'll get those impressions from people seeing it. You'll get those clicks from people coming in. Leads are the people that are thinking about checking out, and sales, well, they actually did check out, and the commissions are what you get paid. So this is obviously a sponsored video, by 24/7 press release, because that's kind of the link we're sharing in this video. So we'll just do that. We'll claim them as the partner for this video, and I really do believe that we are on to something today, guys. We are. Um, I hope that this was enough to kind of show you the basics of CJ affiliates, and well, with that much being said, I don't think there's a whole lot else I can show you on that platform because it's pretty basic. Um, Honestly, just avoid the foreign codes, use your HTML. Uh, that's the best bet I could give you for CJ up here. And that's about it, guys. Like, get a blogger going. You could embed those HTML into your blogger, like we did in the video of Blogger. And I did a video for that, showing you guys how to make a blog from scratch. And I definitely think that we are onto something with how much we are doing with these affiliate marketing videos and money earners, along with the author's assistance videos. So don't forget, there is a video coming out today, or that just came out for editing on Royal Road. So feel free to check that out, guys. I think you guys will love that very much. Thank you for tuning in. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, and smash that notification bell to all of the settings. You don't want to miss a thing on this channel yet, guys, because we're just getting started.